Hello friends, welcome to 2 minutes concept class of physics. In the last lecture we studied the different types of motion. In this video lecture we will discuss translational motion in detail. So what is translational motion? When all the parts of an object move the same distance in a given time interval, the motion is said to be translational motion. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट बॉडी या पार्टिकल के सारे पार्ट्स किसी गिवन टाइम इंटरवल में अगर सेम डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करते हैं उस मोशन को हम ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन कहते हैं. Translational motion is of two types, curvilinear motion and rectilinear motion. When an object moving in translational motion follows a curved path, it is known as curvilinear translational motion. When an object moving in translational motion follows a straight path, it is known as rectilinear translational motion. Let us see few examples of this motion. A girl riding a bicycle moving on a straight path is an example of rectilinear motion. A car moving on a straight path is also an example of rectilinear motion. A ball thrown in the air follows a curved path is an example of curvilinear motion. We will discuss rest of the motions in next lecture series. Till then, goodbye friends.